take up a new chapter, chapter number 3, Help Yourself. Now I am going to explain you from the book, and you have to listen very carefully. Help yourself. What is the meaning? Help yourself. Self-help means you need not to depend on others for your work or for your help. You can help your own self when you are in any kind of problem or situation. Self-help means helping yourself in doing things on your own. Same thing I have explained you. Self-help is the best help. It is your own help, so you can depend on it. When you are in trouble, try your best to get out of it. Self-help makes you brave and confident. So children, learn to depend on your own self and not anyone else. Not even on your parents. You can do your things or your work on your own, and then you will gain confidence and you will be a self-dependent person. Understood? Now I am going to take the story God and the Farmer. Once there lived a poor farmer. He always remembered God and thanked Him for everything he got. He was a great devotee of God. So once upon a time, there was a poor farmer who always used to praise God and thank Him for everything he had. He was a true believer of God. One day, he was taking his grains to the market. The grains were on his cart. The cart was pulled by 2 oxen. The way to the market was muddy. A wheel of his cart got stuck in mud. He became helpless. He waited for somebody to come, but nobody came. The weather also started to become cloudy. So one day, what happened? The farmer was taking his grain to the market on his cart, pulled by 2 oxen. See here. But the way to the market was too muddy, too muddy. So a wheel of his cart got stuck in the mud. Now he became sad and he wanted somebody to help him out, but nobody could be seen at that place. and even the weather became a little cloudy. And he is still worried. He prayed, "Oh God, please help me." After every 2 or 3 minutes, he prayed. Turn the page. For at least 10 times. Suddenly a lightning struck and a voice echoed, "Never ask me for help unless you have tried your best." So now he is praying to God that God please help me, and he is praying to God after every 2 minutes, like for 10 times. He prayed. Then suddenly he noticed some lightning in the sky and heard a strange voice which says, "Never ask me for help unless you have tried your best." The farmer was surprised. He understood the meaning of those words. He got down from the cart after patting the oxen. He went behind the cart. He started pushing the cart from the back while the oxen pulled it from the front. The farmer tried really hard. He felt some more strength in himself. Finally, he succeeded. The wheel came out. The farmer thanked God and went towards the market. Now the farmer was really in shock because of that heavy voice and the word from the heaven which he heard, but he understood the meaning of those words. So he got down from the cart and patted his oxen and then started pushing the cart from behind, and the oxen pulled it from front. He tried really hard and he found out that he is not weak. And finally he did his best and the wheel came out, and at last he thanked God and then went to the market. So students, this shows that you should never lose hope and always try your best, and do not depend on others to help your own self, because you can do it, and nothing is impossible till you try your best.